Morning guys.
Morning.
Parehas kami nakadilag. Out of nation driver, nakapuli.
Sa'yo may birthday.
Happy birthday, Romer.
Happy birthday dito, Romer.
Hindi kami nag-usap-usap ata. Nagulat ako. Nung sinundo nila ako, sabi, putik na lang na kanila ako.
Nagulat din ako na naka-yellow siya. Hey, talk in English.
Yes! Because
we're shocked.
Yeah.
We're all wearing yellow.
We're so happy that we forgot. Sorry guys.
Nagulat kami, tatlo kami nakadilaw. Ito lang ang
boy. Isa.
Pagdilaw ka din. People power na.
Ikaw na.
Ay, diba pupunta ka ng bahay mo, magpalit ka.
Palit ka na.
Meron pa, nako. Yung milaw mo, yung milaw.
Nilaw. Nagkakaya. Hindi naman pang-almusal yan eh. Yan, saging.
Papayad sa tayo na eh. Pero una ako, ano?
Una mo nga. Sige nga, una mo.
Oo, kasi yung gasolina ko.
Pakwenta na yun, di ba?
Oo. Nakabasa, sambahan.
Sambahan ng mga bading.
Yeah boy, once again, we're here. The foods. Yeah boy, mass mode. Ito na kami sa misa. Magkaisa! Yeah!
English.
Why? What? Yeah, we're here again once again. To Aramco.
You know.
Just take a mass.
You know Aramco, you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
What happened? What happened to you, man? Keep quiet, we're near the church now.
Yes.
Mga nakadilaw, bakit?
Hoy, sino daw? Wala na. Wala na.
Wala na. Yeah boy, tapos na yung visa. Sayang gluta, ang init. Malastig yan. Grabe. Init.
Pag-akyat na lang, nakita ko na yung mata ni Jonathan. Laki. Pag-akyat niya,
napansin ko din yun.
yung bubus agad ang nung tumalikod naman.
Baboy talaga eh.
Kaya pinagdasal ko na lang.
Totoo ba yan? Kaya pala.
Ajuma.
Al-Mujama? What's that mean?
Nagmamarunong lang po.
Wow. Mailbox. Cool, yeah. Cool, and dahil mailbox, man. Mailbox. Dami. Actually, nandito nakatago yung kayabanan ko eh. So yeah, what will you buy, Mr. Jeff? Shit, yeah. Sinigang mode.
This chili, I like.
Yes. Wow, this is so big, man. Can you pick this up?
Only the green chili?
Look. Boom. Laki po.
Only the green chili?
Sarap po, Hershey spread. Wala, stick yan. Nutella. Putik! Ang laki oh, 165. Bam! Ham! Yeah! Fruits! Yeah boy!
What up?
Let's go! So hot, man! Yeah boy! This is the Haran Falls.
Kanina doon tayo dumaan.
Road trip, man!
Pero ko lang hindi ko mangayat.
Mangayat?
Mangayat?
May walking trail dyan.
Boy, we're here once again. Birthday boy.
Bata.
Yeah, we're home. Nice Jeff.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you. What's ang unang sulyap? Boom! Fruit cake.
Masarap to.
Wow.
Hindi masyadong matamis.
Oh. Yeah, boy!
Alam mo yan?
Sarap.
Vegetable cake.
Fruit yan.
Vegetable
ang dila, oh.
Hindi, ibabao natin ng isang ganyan. At talaga wala
yan.
sa utak ko.
Para hindi ka lang.
Yan,
diba?
oh.
Ilan ba? 28?
Tatlo.
28 ba?
Oh, sino may lighter?
Oh, lighter.
Wala. We will sing now the traditional song of SFC
Christmas song.
birthday hymn. Yes, SFC birthday hymn, especially for Mr. Jeff.
Uy, hahatiin na natin yung cake.
Okay.
Uy, nasa na yung parang company lang.
Parang company.
Okay.
Company slice lang.
Hello. Alaikum. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you.
Saya ng happy birthday. This one guys, this is butong pakwan. Sarap. Hey, what are you cooking there, man? Wow, shrimp. Butter shrimp, man. Boy, cooking mode, oh.
Ako na nga, George, dyan.
Yeah. Oh, boom.
Hindi.
Hipon.
Hindi man yata yung ginagawa niya.
Luka ko.
So, ano yung bulan?
Wala na!
Tulog pa. Kaya, wala man lang reaction yung mukha eh. Yeah boy, how am I supposed?
First set for the birthday celebration.
Yeah boy. Partida, di pa kami nakain yan ha. Alauna na.
Picture up! Jeff, picture mo ako!
Happy birthday! Birthday mo ba? Talagang nangunguna dyan sa upuan ha. Actually, pero pagkain ng sa lamesa eh. Dito kami kakain. Ayun pa, isa calamares oh. Sabi ko, Jeff, picture mo muna ako eh. Wow! Nako! Food overload! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Boom! Aftermath!
Panis.
Panis! Ubus lahat!
Si Jonathan nakay sa kalimasag lang. Sa akin
Ito matindi oh.
Before and after. 6 hours.
Woo! So, yeah boy! Pampababa ng kinain! Yeah! Jeff, bilisan mo dyan ha! Natusan yung may birthday. Ice cream! Baskin!
Patay yung mic.
Nilaloko mo na kita. Papalabasin ka na talaga. Boom!
Alone.
100! Yeah! Kaya alone. Yan. Alone guys. Ikaw, okay ka lang dyan, Brad?
Oh, I'm alone.
Galing mo yan. Oh, hindi pala alam ha.
Oh, breakfast!
No one turned its head.
Always come by on my own and never really cared.
May tungtungan, no?
Okay lang.
Balik ka ba? Balik kita ka balik. Walang pabalik, walang pabalik. Ito na yung nawawala na. Yung mga pag na nawawala eh.
Come on, let's go make some noise. 'Cause that's my
Yeah, boy!
Alam mo si Ryan?
100 na naman! Second time! 100!
mo kasi, kaya 100. Oo nga, may backup eh. Kung walang backup yun, hindi mo gawan.
Poison ako dun ah, ice cream.